Hello, man. Oh, what the is that? Bro, it looks like a seal. Tell me this car don't look It looks like a seal. Don't it look like it got the little... What's up, guys? It's Tiana. Dorian's not in the car with me right now, but today I am just meeting him at a car dealership, and we might be getting a new car. Well, he might be getting a new car, but we're just gonna vlog the process. There's a couple cars that I know he likes, but I don't know which one he's actually choosing. But I'm on my way there now. I'm meeting him, and we're gonna see how things go. He's been looking for a new car for a while, but he's just never decided on like what exactly he wanted. He changes his mind so much. He was gonna get a new car, and then he decided that he wanted to just tune up his car, get it detailed and stuff like that. And now he's going back to the new car decision, so we're gonna see how long it takes for him to actually make a decision. And I'm not gonna believe what he says until he either comes home with a tuned up car or comes home with a new car. So we're gonna see which one comes first. You already know, but regardless of what he get, I'm gonna be in the front seat of that car whipping this shit. He's not gonna let me, but I always get my way. I always get my way. Also, hello to our new subscribers. I know we got so many. Well, not so many because we only have a couple hundred, but like we got a lot this past couple days. I posted a TikTok of me and Dorian, and it blew up. Like blew up. And everybody's been following our YouTube from my TikTok. Subscribing to our YouTube from my TikTok. So hey, stick around. So I'm just now getting here. It literally took me so long to find somewhere to park because every spot is filled, and this is like a small parking lot. So I brought Dorian brownies, and now I'm not giving them to him because he just hung up on me because he was filling out paperwork. All right, here we go. Oh, this is the car he's looking at. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Bonjour.
I've been vlogging. This is nice.
This one.
What is this? I don't know cars.
Mercedes.
I know it's a Mercedes. I'm not that dumb.
I like that though.
You love car shopping.
It's gonna go crazy.
Bro, this is like a matte black.
Matte
Is this
black.
black or
It's
gray?
matte black.
A BMW? I like it. I think I like the other one better.
What? The matte is crazy.
There's just pollen on it. It looks nice. I like the front. Oh, you want a Hellcat? Bye. Stop, because I wanted a Dodge Charger. I was gonna get a Dodge Charger. This is choice number 3. Straight money.
Look.
Don't flex that.
Feel it.
What? Oh, I thought you was talking about how much you got. Customer waiting room. Why is the waiting room all the way back here? Well, they have a coffee machine.
Wash my car if I did. How much is this?
Wait, they have a coffee machine. They got little... This is all coffee though, like, they don't got no like hot chocolate. Wait a damn minute. I have to use the soda machine lighting. It's too tall, back up.
Just letting you guys know I'm 6'3".
Are you really?
No.
I'm 6'3" in heels. It's like, nah. Imagine if I was 6'3" in heels, bro.
I wouldn't talk to you.
You would not talk to me? That is so disrespectful. Because of my height, you wouldn't talk to me.
Exactly.
If I was the same height, like not even taller.
No. You'd have been probably. You had to be smarter. You think I'm gonna allow
Why? I thought you wanted tall kids.
Yeah, but I don't want my wife to be taller than me. She could be like,
Oh, I thought you was 6'3" though, so I would be taller than you?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm only like 2 foot tall.
You're only like 2 foot tall, then what am I? Look at the fits. I always gotta one up me with the Yeezys. I got the regulars on. This is nice. What? You said what? What did you just say? When you're in this, you're gonna get the what?
I said the females. You two, I'm just playing.
Like, tell me you're tell me you're joking. Like, tell me you're joking. Like, I'm not even laughing.
All right, guys, let's look at the back of the car.
Bro, you know the camera's on you, right?
Yeah.
Show the.
Oh, it's a C43. Hold up. I might change my mind.
Why?
I don't know.
What's wrong with a 43?
Oh,
You was just head over heels.
Never mind.
Can we see the inside?
No, it's not open.
It's not open. Are you touching? It's not.
Stop. I said it.
I think he's gonna get this one. It's not open. Don't say stop like that. You scared me. This is the inside. This is nice.
Park in reverse. Key, John. Come on, let's go tell my mom it's open.
Because I opened it. You're welcome. All you do is take my credit. I just sneezed into my mask and I just feel disgusting. Everybody probably thinks I have the Rona.
She does go out when she thinks.
Whatever, bro.
I don't go out nowhere.
I don't go out.
I don't go nowhere.
I'm safe. Stay safe.
I don't go nowhere.
All right, like, can we just like get the car and like
I'm not gonna be able to get that car.
Move
I
on.
Probably won't.
Bro, like, I hate how
I'm probably not going to probably even get it today.
I hate how people spend all day at the damn car dealership. Like, why does it take that long? I don't have the patience for that. Bae, I should be tanning right now.
Tanning?
Yes.
You don't even tan.
I do tan. What do you mean? What do you mean?
You're not even tan. Ah, my butt itch.
Okay. Y'all say he look like Polo G. Y'all love saying he look like Polo G. Y'all hyped him out. Come here. Polo G. Can I call you that?
No, because I'm not him.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
2.0.
No. 1.0.
Another choice?
Bro.
You look little.
Roses, line 3, please.
This is just a different year. Hey.
Alright, so we gotta keep doing it. Because I did not like that.
Yeah, I didn't like that last one. I mean, it was okay, but like, it's not you. I love you. Have a kiss.
No.
Please?
It's Corona time. You think
Give me a kiss through the mask.
No.
Give me a kiss. I was about to jump at you, bro. What's this? What's this?
That's
It's shiny.
That's a...
Ooh, hello, man. Oh, what the is that? Bro, it looks like a seal. Tell me this car don't look like... It looks like a seal. Don't it look like it got the little round thing? The front is so round. I like the color. It's so pretty. Can you get me a new car?
Not that color.
Why not? Bro, y'all don't like this color? It's a Ford. It is not ugly. I'm getting a Dodge Charger. And I'm putting butterfly doors on it. Y'all doubting me? Excuse you?
I need the price of this.
You need the price for
I need
this.
the price of this.
What is
I need
this?
the price. That's a Q50, bro. This joint is 300 horsepower. Hit the Q50. Hit the Q50. Can you stand right here?
Can I stand?
Yeah,
Are you gonna
the
leave
lady
me
asked her for
in
the
this
price.
heat?
Yeah.
What if I die of a heat stroke?
It's okay.
It's okay. You're walking away from me.
You stay there.
Well, what the hell are we gonna do now? This is nice. So like, I don't know where to put my cup, guys. So I'm just gonna like, no one will know. No, I feel bad. Bro, like, I'm learning about cars. I don't know a lot, but I know things. My lashes still look ugly. Bro, I kind of look rough. Bro, I'm literally just in the middle of this damn dealership by myself. Let's look around. He told me to stand here, but I don't listen to directions. Let's look around.
Look. Come on, sit.
Ooh. A V6 engine?
Nuh-uh.
He's gonna be zooming, bro. You are so happy.
Oh, this joint's fire. Bro, new car, bro.
So cute.
This joint fat, bro. Look, this joint is...
Can I drive it? Why? Bro, like, come on, no, like, for real. Bro, don't bump into the other car.
That's how close it was. Oh my god.
You look so good. I'm paying attention to you. Hello. Hello.
Bro, they gotta clean all this out, though. Look. Hey!
You look good.
It's Corona time! Bro, they have to clean all this shit out.
Hi.
Yeah. Let's go.
This is a used car?
Yeah, you know how I do it. I'm fucking new my new boots are like 2 or 3 showers a day. I'm still cool if I lose all my followers the day before I knew about music. I found me a play. I told her to sneak my little gun in the club, flow with the security.
Alright, it's time to get out and get the prices.
No, the air was blasting. It was nice.
I know, but we gotta get pricing so we can get the car.
I'm gonna sit here until he opens my door. He'll learn. You open the door for me. Oh wait, I think he's coming. Is he coming? He's coming. He learned. Hi.
Let's go.
I was waiting for you to open the door for me.
Watch out.
Can I kiss now?
This is mine.
Please.
This is mine.
Right now, we're going to another dealership.
Yo. People
Look at some other cars. It's only like 20 minutes. We're gonna go look at some other cars. He wants that one Infiniti that we were looking at, but it's like out of his price range. But he found the same car at another dealership, so we're gonna go look at that and test drive it and all that. We test drove another one, other couple cars. We test drove a BMW. What kind was it? What model was it?
I don't know. BMW something.
It was nice. Like, whoa, it was nice. I like the inside because the inside had like brown seats. It was like different, but like the car was blue, and he don't like blue cars, so.
You know me, man. Dudes, y'all know y'all don't like a blue car. Y'all like that, like white, or black, or like maybe some like charcoal gray. Like, that's tough. But we don't. Our dudes don't buy a blue car.
He said, blue cars are for females. My dad had a blue car, navy blue car. He had a Genesis.
I'm not saying that. Say no, I'm joking.
And yeah, we'll see you when we get there.
Price range is all over. I'm getting this. This is
This
my
is a drop dead. This is nice.
I'm done. I'm getting this. It's 22.
Really?
I'm done. This is my car. This is my car.
What happened to the Infiniti?
No. I'll pick this. Take a picture. We gotta take a picture. See your phone.
Hang on. You said it's over?
Yeah, it's over.
You found your... Bro, we just walked up to this car. It's a Mercedes. Really? You didn't even see the inside.
Bro, this car right here is my dream car.
Really?
Bro, the C300 blacked out.
This is nice. How you feeling?
Wow.
You seen this car for 10 seconds.
I don't know though. I gotta look at the Infiniti one more time then.
So we're choosing between what? The Infiniti?
Infiniti Q50 or Mercedes
or the
C300.
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, you're in love. You've never been this happy. Never mind.
Last time I was this happy is when I gave her a baby. What?
Don't say that. Don't say that.
I did, bro. I only gave her one though. His name's Kendrick. Bro, that nigga's 6'6".
Y'all don't know.
He's just not with us. This is his car that we shot for, actually.
Shut up. Ew, my hair look rough. Half of it's
Yo,
tied
this
up.
gonna be my son's car. Say nah. That's gonna be a little late. So look, show him this one.
This is a BMW. He likes it because of the red seats. It got red seats. Can you open it? Is it unlocked?
Nah, it's locked.
It's locked, but you can see the inside. It got red seats.
I like this one too.
He's looking at this one too. He's been looking at this one. Like, I know, bro, this is a sexy car. Like, this is nice. It's just the blue. Like, I like the blue. He loves his BMWs. And then this is the one he really likes besides that Mercedes that he saw for 10 seconds. He wants the Infiniti. Ooh. Tinted out already. All you need is black rims.
It's only 33,000. This is 33,000 miles. The other one has 56. I was old enough to get a car.
So,
Just to say I look young.
you look a little young.
See, it's my hair.
I thought your hair, you look like Travis Scott. / Polo G / Lil TJ, since y'all say that. We're gonna start filling out the applications and stuff like that. We're walking inside now. My eyes are watering. Huh?
Let's go.
Mask on. Fucking mask on. Ugh, I hate this. How you feeling?
Good.
All done? Just like that? We ready?
Oh, I guess the guy's gonna come back.
I know you just signed for the Infiniti, but this
No, I can still switch. I can switch this thing.
you feeling this one? I like the inside. Look at the inside. The seats look amazing. It look good. He really wants this one. But the mileage is kind of up there, so he was choosing the other one, but I know he wants this one. Oh my god, I look rough. Hey guys,
We left with no car. No car.
we were just looking around. He was choosing between two, but we just ended up not coming home with a car today. But we're gonna come home with a car another day, just not
Let's
today.
try again Monday.
Try again Monday. We'll see. But we went to Chick-fil-A.
My hair looks crazy.
Long story short, nuh-uh. We're gonna go back home. I'm tired and I want to take a nap. So,
I'm not taking a nap at my house.
thanks for watching our vlog.
What?
That was so disgusting!
You're like 10 times worse.
Thanks for watching our vlog.
I'm not. That's payback for what you did to me.
Go ahead, hit yourself. Thanks for watching our vlog. Just end it. Look, no, stay right here. It's good lighting. Not really, but like. Bye.